All right, so let's push forward and talk about functions that accept more than one input. All right, I'm going to define another function called def func underscore 3 that accepts three inputs. I'm going to call them num1, num2, and num3. All right, and I'm going to say, you know what, temp underscore sum is equal to num1 plus num2 plus num3, and and return what? Return temp sum. All right. Did you have to define temp sum? Absolutely not. All right. I'm doing it just for because I'm going to call it later on for illustration purpose. All right. And I'm going to say return sum of three numbers. All right. There you go. Now, if I call func underscore 3 at 10, 20, and 30, of course, it's going to give me a return 60. All right. Let's see what happens if we push this function to its limits, sort of. All right. We are going to say func underscore 3 um 10, 20. All right. Let's see what's going to happen. It says func underscore 3 missing one required positional argument. You have to provide three arguments. You have provided two arguments. All right, so that is it is going to create a problem, and it is going to give you an error. Let's call func underscore 3, but this time with 1 2 3 4 5 4. All right, just to be crystal clear, 20, 30, and 40. Let's see what's going to happen. It is going to say func underscore 3 accepts only three arguments. You cannot provide the fourth one. So let's push it a little bit further. We are going to say func underscore 3 give me some of 1, 2, and 4, but string. All right. It is going to give you error again that, listen, you cannot add a string and integer. But if I say func underscore 3 and 1 comma 2 comma 3, all right, do you think you're going to get an error? Let's see. You're not going to get an error because when all of them are string, you are going to have string concatenation happening inside the function. All right, so these are errors that are avoidable. All right, at least you can some of them you can work around them, and over time we are going to learn how we can make or define our functions in a little bit more robust manner.